Ohio Custom Dies makes dies for the aluminum extrusion industry. We service several different sectors. Some of those are transportation, architectural, building supplies, aerospace, medical, and several others. Since we're a smaller family-owned company, we can offer that one-on-one customer service.
We want to have the best quality, and yet at the same time, we want to have the best delivery time as possible.
We have a wide variety of machines available for our customers. Everything from EDM sinkers, along with CNCs, also lathes.
This is our ROMI D1000 at Ohio Custom Dies, and it is alongside all of our other machines with FANUC controllers. And we typically use this machine to mill our bigger parts upwards of 20 inches.
All of our CNC machines are FANUC controls. The reason we went over to ROMI was the size of the tables that comes with the standard machine. It has a control that slows the cutter down, does not stop it, into the corners to help control the cutter radius. So we're not snapping cutters going into tight corners. Along with that, the finish we're receiving off the machines has helped us reduce our cost.
One of the things I think that our customers are looking for that sets us apart is customer service. We really strived for perfection. We are an ISO certified company, so it was important for us when we brought in a new machine that the accuracy was there and the repeatability. We were restricted before up to 16-inch in diameter. With a ROMI, the standard table goes up to 22 inches. With the customers putting in new presses, they would like us to be able to go up to 20 inches. So this gives us that advantage that we didn't have before.
Every die we make here has some sort of change to it, even if it's a repeat. The ROMI, with its increased storage, especially helps us just to load a bunch of programs in at once. It holds around 2,000 kilobytes of storage.
One of the other advantages of the ROMI is that it comes with the FANUC controller, and so our employees are already familiar with that controller. Having FANUC controls and making sure that all the machines have the same control is a huge advantage because it cuts down on our training, it cuts down on mistakes, it cuts down on running incorrect programs because everybody, once they're trained, is familiar. They could go to any machine and run any of the machines in the shop.
We're a small company. I can't afford to send somebody out for training for a week or two. With the controller that's on there, they sent somebody in-house. Within a day and a half, we were up and running.
The new touchscreen and the new screens that are up with this new controller display a lot more data with graphs. It's a lot easier to read what's going on quicker, so that way if there is something wrong with the program that's running or the tool, or whatever the case may be, it's a lot easier to identify the problem, and it reduces the risk of something crashing.
The new digital interface was a little bit harder for the guys, I would say the older generation, to learn. The younger guys seemed to pick it up right away, like Tyler, so he was able to relay it to the other employees. But at first, some of the older employees had a little bit of a struggle, but the nice thing about the controller is you can switch it back to the old interface.
It still has the old style screen, which for an older operator works great. When I learned CNC, it was a little bit harder to memorize where all the buttons were, so now that there's a touchscreen, you can just cycle through the menus instead of trying to sort of guess and check which button's which.
We are in the middle of expanding our facility now. We'll be in a position to purchase more machines. Our customers need a good quality finish. With the types of machines we have with the FANUC controllers here, we're able to give that to them. That's resulting from the controllers controlling the cutters with the speed of the spindle and giving us the finish we need. It's helping us also expand our business and giving us the ability to increase our output every day.